NASA's Juno spacecraft has taken its first picture of Jupiter's moon Europa, capturing the ice-encrusted surface in extraordinary detail. The image is the closest look at Europa that any spacecraft has provided in more than 20 years, when the U.S. Space Agency's Galileo came within 218 miles (351 kilometers) of the surface in January 2000. Revealing surface features in a region near the Moon's equator called ANNW Regio. Juno's pictures were captured during the solar-powered probe's closest approach yesterday, Thursday. Europa is the sixth largest moon in the Solar System, slightly smaller than Earth's moon. Scientists think a salty ocean lies below a miles-thick ice shell, sparking questions about potential conditions capable of supporting life underneath Europa's surface. Jupiter's icy moon Europa is slightly smaller than Earth's moon. Europa orbits Jupiter every 3.5 days and is tidally locked, just like Earth's moon, so that the same side of Europa faces Jupiter at all times. It is thought to have an iron core, a rocky mantle and a surface ocean of salty water, like Earth. Unlike on Earth, however, this ocean is deep enough to cover the whole surface of Europa, and being far from the Sun. The ocean surface is globally frozen over. Many experts believe the hidden ocean surrounding Europa, warmed by powerful tidal forces caused by Jupiter's gravity, may have conditions favorable for life. NASA scientists are on the verge of exploring Jupiter's ocean moon Europa for signs of alien life. Europa is our best shot of finding biological life in the Solar System, researchers say. As exciting as Juno's data will be, the spacecraft had only a 2-hour window to collect it. Racing past the Moon with a relative velocity of about 14.7 miles per second, 23.6 kilometers per second. It's very early in the process. But by all indications Juno's flyby of Europa was a great success, said Scott Bolton, Juno principal investigator from Southwest Research Institute in San Antonio. This first picture is just a glimpse of the remarkable new science to come from Juno's entire suite of instruments and sensors that acquired data as we skimmed over the Moon's icy crust. This segment of the first image of Europa taken during this flyby by the spacecraft's Juno cam zooms in on a swath of Europa's surface north of the equator. Due to the enhanced contrast between light and shadows seen along the terminator, the night-side boundary, rugged terrain features are easily seen, including tall shadow casting blocks, while bright and dark ridges and troughs curve across the surface. The oblong pit near the terminator might be a degraded impact crater. Juno came within about 219 miles, 352 kilometers, of Europa's surface in what was only the third close pass in history below 310 miles, 500 kilometers, altitude. During the flyby, the mission collected what will be some of the highest resolution images of the Moon and obtained valuable data on Europa's ice shell structure, interior, surface composition, and ionosphere. In addition to the Moon's interaction with Jupiter's magnetosphere.